Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and today I want to share with you that according to Bloomberg Financial News, Tesla Model 3, Tesla will produce about 80,000 Model 3s in the past 2 months, 40,000 and close to 40,000 anticipated this month. So let me give you the numbers and then we'll talk about them. They are incredibly remarkable. So in quarter 3 of 2017, when Tesla Model 3s started to be produced and delivered, these were the numbers, and I'm going to give you the numbers produced and the numbers delivered. The number produced was 260 and 222 delivered. In quarter 4, 2,425 were produced and 1,542 were delivered. In quarter 1 of 2018, 9,766 produced and 8,182 were delivered. In quarter 2 of 2018, 28,578 were produced and 18,440 were delivered. And finally, in quarter 3, 39,354 were produced, and we will see soon how many were delivered. If these trends can continue, it is very conceivable, very, very, very possible that by the end of the year, the end of 2018, Tesla will produce and deliver close to 100,000 Model 3s, and that is a remarkable progress. Now, the number itself, if you look at other companies, you say, no, other companies do it, that's fine. But that's not the point. The point is that the remarkable progress that Tesla made and getting that now, saying that in 2019 they will deliver 500,000 cars is no longer a fluke, is no longer something that is not going to happen. It's very possible that's going to happen. And as of now, and I saw some tweets, I'm going to show you some tweets that one of the things that are holding back deliveries of Model 3 is paint issues. There's a bottleneck with paint, especially pearl white and red. And Elon Musk said that the standards are so high that there's going to be no compromise on the quality of paint, especially with multi-coating and all that. So, and he pointed out red and pearl white. So having said all of these, all these little things, all these kinks, those things will be eventually handled and fixed. But the bottom line is to see the remarkable progress of this company, which this is the so to speak, this is the ultimate goal, delivering as many Model 3s as possible, and of course anticipating next year to start delivering the base model for 35,000, and we'll take it from there. We'll see what happens. So I'll keep following. I always follow these news, and I'll keep sharing with you. So thank you. If you have any questions or any other information, please share. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And I'll see you tomorrow with another video.